Howdy y'all, welcome to Meat Off the Bone. My name is Chris Bone, and today I have a very special guest, the one and only Miss Dawn, the one who told me how to do the protein pancake, egg, oat things that I attempted to do last Friday. Well, she saw the video and she contacted me and said, hey, listen, what you did was somewhat right, but there's a lot of things you did kind of wrong. Not a lot.
Just a couple.
So I invited her, hey, why don't you show me? And we're gonna make a secondary, I guess a sequel video on really the real how to make these protein pancakes. And to tell you the truth, I'm so excited that she's here, and I'm really excited to see what I did wrong. All right, like I remember, my first thing I was wrong was I used baking soda instead of baking powder.
You used the hand mixer.
I used the electric mixer instead of a blender. So, without further ado, I will let the master show the chef how to cook.
Alright, so most of the things that you did are going to be the same. So, still 1 cup of oats. And what I like to do is just put everything measured right into the blender.
Okay. We can pull the blender out.
Less dishes, better. The better. Something Paul?
That's me.
Oh, okay.
That's my overlong chain.
1 cup of oats.
And it doesn't matter what type of oat?
No.
Any type of, just oatmeal oats?
Yeah.
Okay. And the egg whites.
Yeah. 1 cup of egg whites.
The wateriest egg whites I've ever seen. That's not a full cup, you miss.
I think you did a little over a cup. It was, I was like, wow, okay. And then you're like, oh, that's kind of watery. I'm like,
well, that was a nice splat. Everyone remembers, everyone's talking about the splat.
yeah, it was like.
If you haven't seen it, stop what you're doing right now and put on the first video and you'll know the splat we're talking about.
Then you want 2 medium-sized bananas.
Do we have to put bananas in?
I always put bananas, but I think you could probably do this recipe like if you just absolutely hate bananas. I think you could do it without the bananas.
Okay. What about like vanilla extract or?
Yeah, I mean, play around with it.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon, yep.
Woohoo! Yeah. I'm excited.
Yep. I mean, you could probably even make it into like a little, I don't know, Christmas cookie, pancakey, cinnamon, nutmeg, kind of just like a holiday pancake. You could probably do that.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Have you seen the Forgotten Cookie video yet?
I haven't.
Look it up. I think it would be right up your alley because it's egg whites.
Well, it would be then.
But it has sugar in it. But
no, you lost me there.
No,
okay.
you were the queen of getting around sugar to get something sweet.
Yes, I will find a way to substitute. You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
Watch the video, see what your idea would be, and I will definitely be having her back to show me some more.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Real baking powder, not baking soda, y'all.
Not baking soda.
Not baking soda. I was wrong.
And I can't swear to it because I don't know, all the specifics, but I do believe that the baking powder plays a big part in how fluffy your protein pancake will be.
Okay.
And then 1 teaspoon of salt. I normally use kosher, but it doesn't really.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. And then this is optional. If you want to add some type of berry.
Any type of berry?
Again, it's something you can kind of experiment with. You like, other fruits beyond bananas, try it. I mean,
okay.
The only thing it could be is nasty, and then you start over.
You heard it first.
So I'll add about 6. I'm gonna do 3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
Oh, remember while you're doing this, put your heat on medium high, not low, medium high. You don't want to, these do cook really, really well. From the last time, because they kind of cooked really quick on the bottom, but not really on the inside. So the heat was on too high. So keep it on medium high.
All right, let's blend this up.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it in for 1 minute. If you want to, you can go. Right.
Let's see what we're looking like.
That looks fluffy.
Should be a nice pancake batter consistency.
All right. Do we need to spray our pan or anything?
Yep. Spray the pan.
Now, folks, if you're spraying your pan and it starts to smoke, if you like we use Pam, if you see smoke coming up, that means your pan is too hot. That is true with anything if you're baking cookies or anything else. If you see smoke with Pam, because Pam has a very high burn threshold, so it doesn't smoke very easy. But when it does, it's too hot. Stuff's too hot. So delete that one.
Okay.
All right.
I think we're good.
Also, and this is on medium. Oh wow, look how thick that is. Oh my Lanta.
That's a nice pancake batter consistency.
Perfect. Look at this. It looks like a true pancake. Looks nothing like what I had. I had watery milk with like flakes in it.
It was the hand mixer.
There was a hand mixer, man.
Yeah.
I see. I guess there's some things a blender just has to be a part of.
Yeah, you have to. If you're gonna do it right.
I just found out there's some soft ice cream in the freezer that they had, so I might do a something. You'll see. So how long do we let this cook for?
So what I normally do, just like pancakes, regular pancakes, I just wait till you start to see it bubbling on the top.
Okay. Like a regular pancake.
Yeah, just like a regular pancake.
So this really cooks like a regular pancake.
Like a regular pancake.
Same properties you're looking for. Okay. And how long? You've been doing this for a while, right?
Yeah. Maybe about 6-7 months. It's become a staple. Like, this is how I usually would break my fast. Either the protein pancakes or a protein smoothie. That's how I break my fast.
You what fast? Tell me about your fast. I mean, what is a fast?
So I fast, and it's not for everybody, but I fast every day for 16 hours, and it varies.
16 hours.
16 hours. So depending on, whatever time I'll stop eating today, then 16 hours from that time is when I'll eat again.
But you don't need anything like a protein bar or something. Do you want something with sustenance? Do you want something with protein?
Yeah. And I try not to do anything with like sugar, like high sugar. I mean, I know fruit has sugar in it, but like I'm not gonna.
High fructose or something.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go for something like you said.
Okay, that's interesting. That's That's a really good idea. Oh, that looks good.
A little longer.
Huh. Do we need to fire up a little bit?
No, I think it's cooking at a pretty good.
Okay. 16-hour fast. That's not for everybody. I mean, I don't know her background or her past, but as you all know, I lost now 29 pounds since February, but I don't eat past 8 p.m. every night. I don't like going to sleep hungry, so if I absolutely need something, I'll drink a huge glass of water and I might eat a celery stick or something just to fall asleep because I can't sleep when I'm hungry. I don't fast like she does, but I can understand it. I'm sure it works.
I've lost almost 50 pounds.
50 pounds. Holy moly.
I was 191 and I am like fluffy.
Whatever. You're 140 doing something right. 140. Wow. Wow. Holy wow.
But I mean, I exercise every day too. Like I think, you know, diet is definitely part of it, and you don't necessarily have to go in hard every day with the exercise, but you know, you can't be sedentary.
Right. Exactly.
You just gotta move, even if it's just, you know, being intentional about hey, I'm gonna take a 30-minute walk in the evening. Doesn't even have to be like a fat. Just get out there and walk.
Right. If you have a chance to take the stairs instead of an escalator,
Do it.
opt for the stairs.
Yep.
Not a lot of people do it. If there's in Potomac Mills Mall here in Woodbridge, there's ramps everywhere. Take the stairs. But whatever you're doing, more power to you. Whatever you're doing it right. Wow, you're an inspiration.
Well, thank you.
Now that pancake looks wonderful. Looks, wow. And how long do you keep these on? I mean, I know, like, depending on the fire, like, what, 3
Yeah,
minutes
so
or so?
I'm really trying to fill out this stove. Yeah.
Once the stove hits a certain temperature, it's really good at leaving it, because we're right at a medium high right now. It's an old stove. It's a really, you know, it's very old. It's back in the this is back in the 60s, I think. This is a very old stove, but it's dependable, quite dependable. Now, do you put anything on top of your?
So what I've been doing, I always use the sugar-free Mrs. Buttersworth sugar-free syrup, which tastes amazing, just like regular
It
syrup.
just tastes like the right. Can't tell a difference.
Nope, no
Sugar-free.
aftertaste, nothing.
Huh.
Then I get the non-dairy coconut milk, whipped cream spray in the can. Put a nice healthy, a nice amount of that on top, and then I sprinkle coconut flakes on top of that. Organic, unsweetened coconut flakes.
You're not taking anybody's trademark now, are you?
I don't think so. No, it's all me.
IHOP's got, you know, what?
Huh?
IHOP?
Oh yeah. Well, what I tell you, let me just say, IHOP is good. IHOP is definitely good, but IHOP ain't got on me. And I
You
put
heard it
bitch
first.
on everything.
you put the itch on that. I don't have to blurp that.
Yeah. And
Look
there's
at
your
this.
pancake.
Look at that.
There we go. And I did make, where are they? We did make a few.
To
You want me-
start.
We did make a few earlier.
Just to test out the camera lighting, because we had to put our lights in here, so we tried it up just to make sure it worked. But these she did make just a few minutes ago, and they came out so nice, very nice. I mean, these are unbelievable. This is my everyone's been asking me what's in this drawer. They can all hear, but they never know what it is. Well, you got a glimpse of my little junk drawer. I want you all to see what's inside. That, I mean, it looks like a pancake. Here you are. And me, I'm a man. The same awesome flavor. The one thing I found is different, the flavor is still the same. I did not smell the bananas while it was cooking like we did last time, but the first bite, as soon as you touch your tongue, you get that little bit of banana.
And now the blackberries. I taste the blackberries.
You can taste the black. I'm trying it. I still get the banana.
I taste both. But then again, I tend to pick things apart.
once you hit a blackberry seed, you can taste the blackberry.
I didn't get the seed.
I got the seed. And
still good.
it's wonderful. These came out so good. They have the same texture as pancakes. They don't have the same flavor. I want to say that pancake is el passe. This is like new, better. It's a protein cake, and I think it's better. It tastes so much better, and I'm going to be eating these from now on.
I would say plain by themselves like this, maybe you might say they don't taste exactly like a pancake, but once you put that syrup,
Put the syrup on, yeah.
and that whipped topping on top, I hop where? Not here. This is better.
This is why we're doing the video, so you can do it every way you want to do it, except this way is just, I want to say it's so much easier and so much
it's healthy.
It's
Healthy.
It's healthy. That was so weak, but healthy.
Yeah, it was.
Dawn, thank you.
You're
Thank you for coming today. Thank you for your story. You've been an inspiration to us all. I cannot wait to cook with you again. I hope we're getting both of us.
Yep.
I don't really know. Everyone, Miss Dawn, my good friend and co-worker, you hopefully will be seeing more of her in the future. My name is Chris Bone. This is Meat Off the Bone. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please, I can't speak. Please press the like button, subscribe, and give me some comments down below, or even some
suggestions.
Thank you. Yeah, she knows. She's a subscriber. Who knows? You might be next. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful evening.
Bye.